Today, we are unboxing the Sonos Move, a weatherproof and drop-resistant portable speaker by Sonos. The Move allows you to take sound with you everywhere. It also features automatic TruePlay, which calibrates the audio output depending if you are inside or outside for a truly balanced sound experience. The Move is compatible with newer and older Sonos devices running S1 or S2, and is capable up to 11 hours of battery life. Sonos includes a slick indoor charging base for a quick power while you listen. On the top of the speaker, you will find the media touch sensor to skip, play, and pause all of your music. Also on the top of the speaker, Sonos features Amazon Alexa and Google Voice built right in for a very hands-free experience. The back of the speaker features a power button, a button to switch between Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and finally, the ability to connect to your other Sonos devices. Thank you. This has been Django at SoundVision. Hope you guys have a great day.